Hello friends, welcome to VTeach Academy, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of submultiple angles. So first, what is a multiple angle? So if A is any angle, then its integral multiples, say 2A, 3A, so on, are called as multiple angles of A. And then what is a submultiple angle? So submultiple angle is nothing but if A is an angle, then the multiples of A are by fractions like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, so on, are called as submultiple angles of A. And here in this section, we are going to derive the formula of A by 2 in terms of those of A. So let us consider the formula sin 2A. So sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. And now, in order to get the formula of submultiple angle, let us replace A by A by 2. So here by replacing, we get sin 2 into A by 2, which is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. And here 2 gets cancelled, so we get sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. And then, we already know the formula of sin 2A, which is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So let us replace A by 2 in that formula. So by replacing, we get here 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. And now let us consider the formula of multiple angles for trigonometric ratio cos. So cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So by replacing A by 2 in those formulas, we get the formulas for submultiple angles such as cos A is equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. And then replacing A by 2 in the other formula of cos 2A, we get cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. And then replacing A by 2 in the formula of cos 2A in terms of sin, we get here cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. And now let us find the formula for submultiple angle A by 2 for cos A in terms of tan. So by replacing A by 2 in the formula of cos 2A, we get here cos A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. And now let us try to derive the formula for tan A. So tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So in order to get the formula for submultiple angle A by 2, let us replace A by A by 2. So by replacing, we get here tan A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. And now let us try to find the formula for submultiple angle for the trigonometric ratio cot. So in order to find the formula, let us consider the formula of multiple angle 2A for cot. That is cot 2A is equal to cot square A minus 1 divided by 2 cot A. And now in order to find the formula for submultiple angle, let us replace A by A by 2. So by replacing, we get here cot A is equal to cot square A by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 cot A by 2. So here sin 2A is the formula for the multiple angle, and whereas sin A is the formula for the submultiple angle. And similarly, here all the formulas for cos A, tan A and cot A are the formulas of multiple angles. So make a note of all these formulas of multiple angles as well as submultiple angles, because these formulas are very useful in solving examples in further videos. Hope you understood the concept, and refer to more videos on trigonometry on our website vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.